Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Today, I'm going to share with you a drink recipe which is famous in the Caribbean. It is a perfect party drink and I'm going to show you step by step how I make it. This drink is none other than my spin on the fabulous peanut punch. Come on, let's go. So here I have all the ingredients you are going to need for your peanut punch. I have milk, evaporated milk, and I'm using the Carnation evaporated milk. I have condensed milk. You can go ahead and use any brand condensed milk. Peanut butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. And these spices are very crucial in making your peanut punch. And I have the Caribbean white rum. And I'm going to put a little spin on my peanut punch this time around. And I'm going to go ahead and use some coconut milk. And I've used coconut milk several times before in my peanut punch, and it is just delicious. And these are all the ingredients you are going to need for your peanut punch. Let's get started. So I have my blender here. A blender makes it really easy, and I think it's the best tool you need to make the peanut punch, but it is not the end all of making a peanut punch if you do not have a blender. If you do not have a blender, just go ahead and melt your peanut butter on the stove top in a saucepan, and then you add your other ingredients to it. A blender, as I've said before, just makes your life so much easier. This is a 1 pound jar of peanut butter. I'm going to put half of it in there, and I'm going to go in with a can of my milk. Make sure to shake your milk well. And you can use any evaporated milk for your peanut punch. I tend to use Carnation because Carnation, I think, is a very good brand, but there are also other good brands of evaporated milk on the market. It doesn't have to be Carnation because the Carnation milk is a little more pricey. But I guess they've been around for so long that they've made their name. For the sake of this video, I'm going to try to mix all of my ingredients in my blender. I'm not sure if that's going to work. Normally I mix my peanut butter and my milk in the blender, part of it, and then I transfer it into a larger container so I can mix. But I just wanted to show you guys how I make it, so I'm not planning to make a lot of it. So I'm hoping that I do not need to transfer it in a larger container this time around. So I'm just going to go ahead and open all of my cans. And just set them aside. So I'm going to go in with my milk. 2 cans. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a nice mix. Now I'm going to go ahead with the rest of my peanut butter. Now I'm adding my condensed milk. And you can go ahead and make it as sweet as you like. I'm just going to be adding today 1.5 cans of my condensed milk. After you make it, you can always go in and adjust the sweetness. But when it's too sweet already, I don't like that. I prefer to go in and adjust my sweetness after. To just get the rest of my peanut butter liquefied. Because I do not want to have to mix in a big jug, I'm going to empty out half of my liquids. I'm going to go ahead and add the extra half can of my condensed milk. And I'm going to go ahead and add my other can of evaporated milk. Now I'm going to go in with my spices. Very important for your peanut punch is nutmeg. In here I have grated nutmeg. I already went ahead and grated all my nutmeg and I just stick it in a little container so I always have it on hand. So be generous with the nutmeg. I'm going to go in with 1.5 tablespoons. For peanut punch, nutmeg makes your peanut punch, guys. I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And you can always adjust and add more if you want to. Tablespoon of cinnamon. And for the allspice, I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon. Because allspice is very powerful spice, so just go a little less with your allspice. Give this a blend. You want to make sure to blend your spices in the blender because you do not want any lumps in there. If you do not have a blender, use a wired whisk to be sure that your spices are dissolved. Now I'm going to go in with my coconut milk. I'm just going in with half of my coconut milk for now. Give it a blend. Your coconut milk just gives your peanut punch some extra flavor. I'm going to go in with 1 more teaspoon of nutmeg. I tasted it and I think I need a little nutmeg. So this is how I season my peanut punch. Cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg. These are my peanut punch seasonings, guys. And always taste as you go so you can adjust your flavors. So we have our peanut butter milk, condensed milk, spices, and coconut milk in here. For the fun part, we are going to go ahead and add some Caribbean white rum. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups. And you can make it as strong as you like, guys. Add it to my blender. And give it a whirl. Now I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into my jug. I'm going to use a wire whisk and just mix it up. That's it, guys. This is how easy the Caribbean peanut punch is to make. And it is a perfect drink for the holiday season. It's also great at parties, get-togethers. Just make a jug of peanut punch and bring it along. And as this sits in the refrigerator, it will thicken up. And always go ahead and taste to see if you need to adjust any of your spices. This is perfect. So I made a little bit too much. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into a glass bottle. So that's it, guys. This is how easy it is to make your peanut punch at home for your parties, your Christmas dinner, your New Year's celebration, drinks, for any occasion. This is how easy, simple, and quick it is to make your Caribbean peanut punch at home. We've come to the end of this video. It was an honor for me to show you how I make my Caribbean peanut punch at home. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share as I bring you more flavorful videos. Come on, guys, let's drink. Beautiful. And as this sits in the fridge, it will thicken up for you some more. So do not add any more milk to it right now. Cheers, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. The rum, all my spices, it is perfect. My coconut milk in there is just a perfect addition to my punch. Yes, yes. Guys, this is so good. So delicious. Until the next time, bye guys.